In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to e-transfer to Wise account. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a transfer inside the Wise app using the e-wallet option, with clear explanations to avoid common mistakes. Start by opening the Wise app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged in and that your app is up to date so all the options appear as expected. From the home screen, tap Send. This is where you create a new transfer and choose how and where your money will go. Next, select the country you're sending to. This should be the country where your recipient's e-wallet is registered. The country you choose will determine the available wallet providers, the currency, and any local requirements, so pick carefully. Enter the amount you want to send. You'll see Wise show you the estimated fees and the exchange rate if a currency conversion is involved. Take a moment to review the total you'll pay and what your recipient will receive, and adjust the amount if needed. Tap Add Recipient. If you're prompted again to add a recipient, go ahead and tap it once more to continue. Wise sometimes confirms this to make sure you're entering new recipient details. When asked how you want to send the money, choose the e-wallet option. This tells Wise you're not sending to a traditional bank account, but to a supported digital wallet in the selected country. Select who your recipient is. Choose Myself if you're sending to your own wallet, someone else for an individual, or Business if the wallet belongs to a company. Picking the correct type helps ensure compliance and smooth delivery. Enter the recipient's email address. Wise uses this for notifications and, in some cases, to help match recipient details. Make sure it's accurate and active. Type the recipient's full legal name exactly as it appears on their e-wallet profile. Mismatches can cause delays or failed transfers. Select the wallet provider from the list shown for that country. Choose the precise provider your recipient uses. Enter the e-wallet number. Depending on the provider, this could be a mobile number or a unique wallet ID. Include country codes or leading zeros only if the provider requires them. Add the recipient's city. Use the city tied to the recipient's registration or current address as requested by local rules. Finally, tap Continue. You'll move to the review screen where the details you just set up are ready for final checks. If everything looks correct, you're all set to proceed within the app.